Webull Poor Man's Covered Call. This is how you do the covered call on Webull. We'll try it out on the Walmart stock. So you go to options. Then you just click on one of these, whichever one you want to do. You could change the individual legs if you want to and edit to your preferred settings. So you pretty much buy a long dated option and you sell a shorter dated option. So you could choose a call or a put. You could choose both. Just easier to do one or the other, whichever one you want. Just easier to use. But that's pretty much easy, pretty simple and basic. So the poor man's covered call on Webull, it's called diagonal. So if you go back to options, to Walmart options, if you go on the strategy, instead of the single option, you click on the diagonal over here. So the diagonal is the poor man's covered call on Webull. Pretty basic, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and you can make some decent money with that if you know you're in the right stock and you know what you're doing. But the main point of this video is that the poor man's covered call on Webull, it's called a diagonal. So yeah, you could choose different expiration dates. So if you have one long dated and you want a shorter dated one, you could choose which one you want in between how much expiration dates you want. So and that's about it.